Okay, so the next thing we want to do is wire up this input jack. So if we look closely at the input jack, you can see that there's a lug connected to this inner sleeve, and that is our ground. The hot lug is the lug that's connected to the arm here that holds the cable in place. And when I put a cable in, you can see that we've got a rubber ring separating the tip, which is connected to the hot wire, and the base, which is connected to the ground. So based on the color codes we've been using, I'll be tinning and connecting this black wire to the ground lug, and as I said, the ground lug is the one connected to the inner sleeve. So just apply some heat there. Just let that cool and test the connection, that's fine. Then obviously our green wire is going to our active or hot lug. Okay, so one of the next connections we need to deal with is the output from our pickup selector to the active lug of our input jack. So I do this, generally connect these through the ground of the tone, which is the closest to the input jack. So I'm going to just connect these two wires up. And I'll just run a small bit of solder onto those to tin them. Now for now, I'm going to connect these up, as I said, through the ground lug of the tone. So that's the leftmost lug. So it's facing this way, for instance. It would be on the right. So I'm also going to ground the input jack to the back of the tone pot. We can now put that tone pot in place. And I'm going to go ahead and just tighten that one up, just so it's dealt with and out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and just tighten that one up.